Hi. Reba, say hi to the audience. Look at my foot. My stinky foot. Smell my foot.
like chickens.
You smell like squids.
Smell good.
You smell like squids. Squid lover.
No, I hate squids.
You-
Carver likes squids.
You
Well,
like
you
Carver.
too.
Well, you like Carver.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
He's an ugly butt.
Oh, hey Carver, if you're watching this, yay!
He has an ugly butt.
He has an ugly name too. You'll never know who I am. Oh wait, I'm right here. Hi, I'm Crazy Person. Just
You're
kidding.
Jade.
No,
You're
no,
Jade
no.
Kissel.
I don't know who Jay Kissel is. This is
Jade
Reba.
Kissel.
Reba, what's your last name? This is Reba. What?
Something.
Reba, what's your last name?
Starts with S.
Look at my eyeball. I love my eyeball. What?
I'm saying my last name.
Ah.
I'm just sleep in my room.
Okay, I'm done.